This is the legend of the Phantom Blacksmith. On moonless nights, villagers whisper of a forge glowing deep within the woods, its embers stoked by a shadowy figure. Once a master smith, he was cursed for forging weapons that doomed countless souls. Now, his hammer rings out in the darkness, shaping blades that drip with sorrow and rage. Those who stumble upon his workshop vanish, claimed by the spirits bound to each cursed sword. If you hear the clang of steel echoing through the trees, turn back. Some legends are not meant to be found. Subscribe to Echoes of Legend. Beyond the veil, step into the shadows where history blurs into myth and truth hides behind whispers.